everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I have been MIA. I just realized the last video I uploaded was 2 months ago, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of explanation of where I've been, what I've been doing, and what is going to be happening, or what I want my future to be. I don't know. I know in like every video I've said like, oh, I miss uploading videos, like I miss making videos for you guys, I'm going to make videos, and it just hasn't happened. Right now I am in a very weird place in my life. My career path is quickly changing, and it's just a lot to take in. So actually I found that Twitch has worked out for me because I can still create content and do things that I like to do. I don't have to edit anything, but I really do miss editing videos. I miss coming up with concepts, filming things. So that's why I'm here right now. I was just like, I don't know what video to make, so I'm just gonna turn on the camera and see what happens. I mainly built this channel off of my Etsy shop, and even though I still do love Etsy, it's not my main focus anymore. So I am still gonna be definitely posting Etsy videos, just maybe not as much. I've just kind of fell in love with streaming and gaming and Twitch and all that, and I would like to share my passions with you guys on here. And honestly, I have not been getting too many orders. We've got 3 orders to pack today. We've got 2 boho sticker packs and 1 Loving is Easy. Oh, wait, maybe a reason why my Etsy isn't doing well is because in October, I went to go fill some orders on Etsy, and then all of a sudden it said my Etsy shop was banned. And I still don't know why. I never got an email explaining why. It was just everything was gone, and I was devastated. I contacted support multiple times. I never got an answer. I never got an email. They said I should have gotten an email. I never got an email. And then one day they were like, oh yeah, sorry, our fault. But then one of my listings was gone. It was my Halloween listing. And then ever since then, I have not been getting as many orders as before. So I don't know what to do. I think I just need to do some more advertising and stuff, but this is the strangest thing. It kind of discouraged me a little bit. But here we are. We're back. We're gonna jump, head toes first, and let's package some orders. Coco. Say hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, girl. Hi, good girl.